Hey guys, it's Samantha, and today I have a package, and it's squishy, and I got it from eBay. So I'm going to show you guys my first squishy, which is this mini plush marshmallow bun, and it's mini. And I got this at the mall from the store Tokyo for $3, which is really good because they are really good quality. And I got the winky face, and my sister just has a smiley face. And now, I have my squishy package. And, yep, let's just open this up. It smells like popcorn in here. Okay. There's a squishy. It's really huge. Like, I could probably show you how big it is to a balloon. Look how big this is to a balloon. That's big. So, yep, really big. So, get back here. So, it's really big, and it can't even fit in the palm of my hand. Like, I have really small hands. I have to grip it. Alright, so I got the pink bow panda bun. Jumbo panda bun. See? Texture right there. Comes with the cell phone strap. And now let's squish it. Whoa, look how squishy. It's really squishy. Oh, okay. Look how squishy this is. See how squishy that is? It's really squishy. Pops up really slow. And this is my best squishy ever. And this is how squishy this one is. Not even that squishy. So, if you're going to get the Jumbo Panda Bun, I suggest you get it. Or any other Panda Bun, because the Panda Buns are the squishiest. I don't know about the mini ones, but the medium and the jumbo ones, or the regular size and the jumbo ones, are really, really, really squishy. And if you're going to do a squishy experiment on these, I suggest you do. If you like yours is really hard, I suggest you do it because they get squishy a lot more. Because on YouTube, when they do squishy experiments, they do the experiment with this, and it gets so squishy. So, yeah, I suggest you guys get this. So I suggest you get this and this. But if you want them, I suggest you get the smiley face one because my sister has a smiley face one, and it's really squishy. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review / opening squishy haul, kind of, I guess, I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And look how small this is. This is about the same size as the wig. That's how big it is. Look how big. See? Anyway, alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!